How to change store currency on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to change your currency on Shopify. So let's get started. First, you will open up your Shopify admin and you will get right here. So it's very easy to change your store currency. You will simply go to your settings right here and then you will be able to find your store settings. We have other settings as well. So in store settings, this is like our general settings of our store. So right here, the first option, if I just scroll down, I will be able to find my store currency right here. So you can see this is my store currency, but I want to change it. So you can just click right here and you can select any currency right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my currency to USD. Here it is USD. Now I have changed my currency and I can also change the formatting if I want. So we can change the formatting for our currency as well, but this is how you would simply change it. And now you have to click on save. So once you click on save, the changes will be saved and you can see now my store currency is US dollars. So if you want to change it to any other currency, you can just select your currency from here and then click on save. So yeah, guys, this is how you can simply change your store currency on Shopify. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.